Architecture is often the experience of a building, the intersection between humanity and the built spaces. With 364 new objects in Lumion 10 Pro, you can instantly demonstrate your vision for the context surrounding your design. Some of the new objects in Lumion 10 include 62 fine detail nature objects, including plants and trees, 5 HDRI real skies, 180 interior objects, including seating, kitchen items, tables, and more, 30 high-quality animated 3D people, including men, women, elderly people, and bicyclists, 81 exterior objects, including buildings, furniture, and lights, 11 vehicles, including sports cars and an SUV. Curious to know what's new? Activate the Place tool, then type New in the search field, and you will see all the models that are new in the category you have selected. All of the new objects are very high quality, and the new additions bring the total number of objects in the Lumion 10 Pro content library to 5,758.